Hello YouTube, it's Sam from Sam's Diecast Showroom. Let's take a look at the 2021 Nightburnerz 5-pack for Hot Wheels. And they did not make a 2021 Nightburnerz mainline series, so this is all the Nightburnerz we're gonna get. And only reason I'm opening this particular 5-pack now is because of the 71 Datsun 510 Wagon. And I want to get all my loose variations of it. I'll see you when this is unboxed. Okay, we are all set. This is going to be the first vehicle we're going to take a look at. This is the 68 Gas Monkey Corvette. This is a very collectible and popular casting. This is probably my second favorite out of the entire 5-pack. Let's take a closer look. We've got a matte gray on this vehicle, and you can see that there. What a nice ride it is. And I do have another color of it right here. This is a 2017 or 2018 version. Well, this is the one that comes from the 2021 5-pack. We got deep dish 8-spoke wheels and a number 68 on the side with a black stripe right there. And it says MG and Goodyear on the side. And I like the aerodynamics on the 68 Mustang Gas Monkey. Mustang. Did I say Mustang? Sorry about that. I'm dumb. Well, I like that blown engine up there. And a chrome interior. Just a very nice dart casting. And this has a nice front end. This is an awesome ride. Definitely very collectible. And this is your Gas Monkey Corvette from the 2021 Nightburnerz 5-pack. This is the 1970 Ford Escort RS1600. And right away, I like that plastic chrome base because it's like textured. I'm actually really liking that. This has lace wheels. Yep, lace wheels. It's a Rally Ford Escort. Great spinning wheels. And like a metal flake steel blue or gray or something like that. I'm not quite sure. But you can take a look at those nice tampos and number 3 on the side there. And like red striping, like there's a darker red right there and then a lighter red as you go inside. Gray interior on this nice 1970 Ford Escort. Look at that. Like the wheel choice on this. I like that. And there is the front there. It's got those lights, or no, or maybe those brush guard. I'm not sure, but this is a rally car, and this is very cool. I am liking this one. I like the box design. And independent. Oh wow, really smooth spinning wheels. Like, let me just give you a spin. Give these a spin for you guys. Just listen. The other wheels aren't even moving. Oh, that one is. Okay, maybe I was wrong on the front one. Very cool casting. I like this one. And I have the recolor for the first edition of this casting. I probably do like this one better, though. But they're both cool. They're both very nice rides. And let's move on to the next vehicle. Well, the 71 Datsun 510 Wagon. Whoa! Look at that color. This is so clean. Wow, I'm actually blown away by this loose casting. Look at that gold rim MC5s. And I really like how clean that beige color is. It's like a matte tan. And we've got, whoa, flowers there on Japanese or something writing. I'm not sure. And it's got a brown stripe right there, a dark orange. Whatever you want to call it. Look at that. It's like a branch with nice flowers on it. Pink and white. That's actually very cool. I like that a lot. 71 Datsun 510 Wagon. Definitely a casting that I want to collect more of. Because I already have a lot of colors of it. Just a very nice ride. I'm really liking it. And there's the headlights right there. 4 headlights. And those mirrors right there. Kind of lucky that those didn't get chipped. This is a really immaculate casting. It's kind of an oxymoron, but we got a red interior. This vehicle is very clean. Very clean for a 99-cent vehicle. No flaws whatsoever as far as I can see. I can't really see, but there we are. Made in Indonesia. All these cars are made. And I got another, this is another Nightburnerz 5-pack one, but this came out a few years ago, and I got this one as you see it right now. And this is a 2019 51st anniversary vehicle that I've actually had since 2019. I did not open it on the channel, but it's been in my collection for a while. Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. Look at this. This is the newest variation of it. Oh, I like the design of that base. This is the newest variation, and it's got gray PR5 rims, Phil Redmond 5 spokes. They spin well. And it's like a metal flake green kind of we got on this one. Quite cool, and it's got like speed blur graphics. There you go. It's black and silver, and very cool ride. This is actually my first one of this particular casting, the ACR SRT10 Viper. But look at that grille, classic Dodge grille. Very nice ride. And yeah, this is my only one of this particular casting so far, but definitely cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Very nice ride. Very cool. Race bar, like the color. Last, but definitely not least, the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. And this is, wow, this is a burnt orange kind of color. I don't know, my battery just ran really low, so I can barely see through the camera. So I'm going to look to the side. It's like a dark orange, or kind of like almost crossing the line to a brown. And it's got orange aero disc wheels and a nice 934 on the side with those tampos, an orange and black tampo on the side. This is a nice Porsche. I like this one. And, well, of course, I like every single car in this 5-pack. They're actually really, it's a really cool 5-pack. There's the back with the exhaust. Same deal on the other side. You can see the hood tampos right there. Front. Base. Definitely some awesome rides in the 2021 Nightburnerz 5-pack. Oop. Here's another variation of that car, by the way. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Which was your favorite vehicle in this 5-pack? Please let me know in the comment section below. Personally, for me, this one. Definitely this one, because this is a very collectible vehicle, for me at least. And I also like that Gas Monkey Corvette. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already.